It looks like Canada. It feels like Canada. Welcome to Canada. I'm on my way to the local camera shop. We still have an independent family-run camera shop, which is really cool, to pick up maybe the most controversial camera of 2019, which is the Nikon Z50. I want to see if it's the bottom flippy screen, if it's actually useful for self-filming. It seems like it's getting some pretty decent reviews. We'll see. Z50. Another exciting thing that's happening is I'm speaking at Way Up North in Copenhagen on April 21st and 22nd, the conferences. There are a lot of other speakers that'll be speaking, and it is definitely worth the trip. And if you are a photography business owner, at least here in Canada, you get certain allotments for write-offs on trips and education. So by coming to Copenhagen, hopefully that would be a tax write-off for you. My talk specifically is going to be essentially the hyper-condensed into a concentrated formula version of what Book More Weddings 2020 was, which is how to get your photography business, specifically a wedding photography business, up and running in under 1 year from absolute zero. And if you are interested in coming to Copenhagen in April for Way Up North, please get your tickets before January 15th. The prices on tickets go up on January 15th. So get them before then, and we'll see you in Copenhagen. I'll report back with my findings on this Nikon Z50 in a couple of weeks.